Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Alcatel 3V from Metro by T-Mobile. We're going to be talking about how to unlock this device for free. Now, there's some things that you must take note of. First, you have to have your device for at least 6 months, and you have to pay at least 6 bills in a row, meaning 6 months in a row. Then you want to make sure that you didn't port your phone over in that process of time. And you can pretty much unlock it using this technique. All you have to do is locate the Metro by T-Mobile Unlock app folder where the Metro apps will be located, and then you're gonna follow this method right here. You can see it does say the device is permanently unlocked right after you hit that button. So all you have to do now is wait for the phone to reboot. Now, if you've had your phone for 6 months of time from Metro by T-Mobile, this method will work for any of the phones that they offer with that Metro by T-Mobile application that they load on board using their software, which will help you unlock your device. Basically meaning when you unlock a device, this is what's going to happen. You're going to be able to use your SIM card from Metro by T-Mobile, take it out of the phone, and you can pop another SIM card in there, such as Cricket Mobile, for example, Cricket Wireless, or any GSM SIM card. And so once you do that, then that'll give you the ability to move your phone to different networks using different SIM cards on the GSM networks. As long as the phone supports all the GSM carriers, which it will because it's a Metro device, then it will work for you using any GSM SIM. So now that the device is fully reset, we're going to go ahead and wait for the device to tell us it's completely unlocked. So right now it's actually just still rebooting up, but we will get a message on the screen at some point, which will let us know right here. It does say the device is permanently unlocked right down below. And this is how you unlock your device safely, securely, and completely free of charge with Metro by T-Mobile's the Unlock Device app. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, night. Hit the bell icon so you can get notified for more videos just like this. And I'll check you guys later. Later, crew. Peace. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night, crew. Later. And hit that bell icon and check out the next video right after this one.